day, baby. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, big dog. Let's go, big dog. Let's go, big dog. Come on, we here. We here. Let's go, Jimmy. Let's go, Jimmy. Let's go, 81. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, Breed Love. Let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's bring it. Game day, baby. Game day, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Game day, let's go. Turn this shit up. Turn this shit up. Let's go, brother man. Let's go, brother man. We here. We here. We ain't coming. We here. Let's go, Rez. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We here. We ain't coming. We here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get your ass going. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Hop. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Willie G. Willie G. Let's go, baby. Let's go, Shiloh. Turn this bitch out. Turn this bitch out. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Bam. On a mission. On a mission. On a mission.
On a mission, coach.
On a mission. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, big dog. Let's go. Bang. We here.
Dominate on me. 1, 2, 3. Dominate. Let's go. God give me a word long before this, but he's been holding it. Because it's not about them. This is about us. This has nothing to do with the team that's opposing us. This is about us. This ain't got nothing to do with the naysayers, the unbelievers, the haters, the doubters. This is about us. When we started this journey, we told you it was going to be trying, it was going to be tough, but you endured because it's about us. That man next to you is a miracle. That man next to you is a believer. That man next to you is a go-getter. That man next to you is a dog. That man next to you is somebody who wants this thing. That man next to you is somebody who believes. That man next to you is somebody that got to have it today. Yes, sir. We ain't got tomorrow. We got now.
Yes, sir.
We ain't got next. We got now. We ain't coming no more. We here. We here. We here. Since y'all know we here, give me my theme music.
TCU trustee Joe Briggs moved on from 1996 to 1988. Quarterback Graham Cohausen reviewed his touchdown run in a full overtime for TCU to a 47-41 victory over Oregon in the 2016 Alamo Bowl. Please welcome E.D. Chavez, Joe Briggs, and Graham Cohausen. It is tails. Fans, join us in welcoming you to this year's TCU team. Coach did say this 1987 leads the front runners coming out 2 straight NCAA appearances. 23-24 season starting October 30th in an exhibition game versus Texas Wesleyan. Welcome back, TCU men's basketball.
Down, focus up, down.
During the 2023 college football season, All-State has featured its Good Hands net behind the goalpost and all Horned Frogs home games this year to show support for TCU. All-State will continue to contribute to the university's general scholarship fund for every three-day Mexican game by TCU during the winning season. Since 2005, the All-State's Good Hands field.
Let's go. We get you a little too low. That's it.